Hey guys, so I just received this dual guard iPhone 17 MagSafe case from Crave, and I really like their phone cases. They're really nice and sturdy, and this is what it looks like. It's in this color green. It is dual, so it does have this little thing inside to make sure it doesn't get all folded up, and it does have two parts to it. So you take it apart and it has this nice like soft rubbery piece that goes around your phone, and then you have like the harder piece that goes on top of this to protect your phone even more. And as you can see, this is such a pretty color, and it has all the little areas and the little it has the little area right here for all the buttons and all the cutouts for the charging and all this area, as well as the volume and the log button. And I absolutely love this cases. I have one of their cases on my phone, and it does really provide that dual protection. It even has like the little outline for the camera, so it gives it that little bit of a bulge out to protect your phone. You guys, if you're looking for a phone case for your iPhone 17, I would definitely recommend Crave. They do come in different colors, and the protection on this is really nice, and it does cover your corners as well. So if you're looking for a case, I definitely recommend this one.